Hi guys, I'm just coming at you with a really quick check-in for this last week. I'm doing a little early just to make sure that you know 100% that your due dates are Tuesday and Friday this week. Friday, 10 p.m., June 21st is the last time to submit any work. Please do not submit work at last minute, otherwise you may experience technical difficulties and I will not reopen assignments for you at that time, okay? I will be on a lot tomorrow because it is the last day and I'm having lots and lots and lots of late work dumped on me. It's okay. Don't worry about it. I don't need to see my family. Totally joking. Kind of. But anyways, so I've been working hard on trying to keep up on those grades and everything that you guys are submitting. But I just want to make sure that you understand that tomorrow, again, 10 p.m., that is when we are cut off from all submissions. Finals start on Saturday, and I will be there Saturday, Wednesday, and Thursday, but finals days are Saturday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday. You get to choose. You do not need to make an appointment, but come in. You can have a fully charged device or you can borrow a Chromebook from us. Make sure you have your student IDs, and I will hopefully see you at finals at the Berry Goldwater High School cafeteria. Speaking of finals, if you have any other questions regarding your final, please message me. Just because your class is closed for submissions does not mean that I will not be online checking announcements on messages, excuse me. Please also remember though that on Saturday, Wednesday, and Thursday, I will be at finals, and I'll be frantically giving out pins to School City to hundreds of students. So if I don't get to you right away, just know that I'm working. It's a hectic time. Please, again, reach out if you need anything from me, and I'm just really grateful for such a great summer session. I'm sure you guys probably feel the way I look, which is exhausted, but you guys put in a lot of hard work. I am ridiculously proud of what you guys have been able to accomplish in these past 6 weeks, and it's just been a real pleasure being your teacher. Thanks so much, you guys.